There is a very simple way we can start stacking Bitcoin over time for free. Check it out. If we receive our income in the form of direct deposit, if we have US dollars just sitting in an account, if we use debit cards for everyday spending to buy food, buy gas, pay our bills, we could be effortlessly earning more from our everyday money activities right now and converting into Bitcoin. And the best part? We could also be getting access to our paychecks up to 2 days early. Hello, I'm Crypto Casey, and in this video, we are going to explore how we can all start using the next generation of finance that provides us with way better, safer services for managing our wealth, all while earning rewards with a free Uphold account. When we direct deposit into our Uphold account, when our US dollars sit in our Uphold account, and when we use our Uphold debit cards to buy stuff, we get rewards we can convert into Bitcoin to stack sat for free. So let's put our money to work. All right, we're not just talking about a crypto exchange here. We are talking about a full financial ecosystem that replaces the dusty old checking account we've had since high school. There are two main reasons we should all use Uphold instead of traditional banks: yield and transparency. First, let's talk about yield. That's the money our money makes by just sitting there. And the national average savings rate right now is around 0.6%. That is frankly insulting. If we have $1,000 in there, the bank pays us about $6 a year. That doesn't even buy McDonald's these days. Lame. Now let's look at Uphold. Their USD interest account offers 3.75% APY on balances over $10. That is 6 times the national average. And unlike a CD where our money is locked up for months, this is liquid. We can move it instantly to trade or spend. And it's FDIC insured up to $2.5 million through their partner banks, which is over 10x the amount of insurance traditional banks offer. So we get the safety of the old system with the rewards of the new. Sweet. Second is transparency. How many of us know exactly what our bank is doing with our money? We don't. They don't keep it there. They lend it out. They lend out our money and earn a yield on it, making money with our money. Scam. Now, Uphold is different. They pioneered radical transparency, where they publish their assets and liabilities in real time every 30 seconds. We can literally verify that our funds are there. They don't loan out our money. It's fully reserved 100% backed one-to-one, period. In today's world, it's not just a feature, it should be a requirement. All right, now for the fun part. How do we actually get the free Bitcoin? Easy. Anyone can do it. The strategy involves 3 simple steps: income, spending, and conversion. Step 1, optimize our income with direct deposit. This step starts on payday. If we set up direct deposit with Uphold, 2 things happen. First, we get paid faster, up to 2 days early. Second, more importantly, we get paid to get paid. Uphold offers 4% back in XRP on direct deposits of $250 or more. Think about that. If we deposit $5,000 of our monthly salary, that's $200 worth of XRP just for moving our money where we were going to put it anyways. This is found money. Our old bank gives us nothing for this. Step 2, optimize our spending, the debit card. Step 2 is spending. We all buy groceries, gas, pay bills, and if we use a regular bank debit card, we get nothing. Now with the Uphold Elite debit card, we can earn another 4% back in XRP on our spending. So there are 2 tiers. The Elite card gives us that sweet 4% back. It has a $99 annual fee, and if we're heavy spenders, it pays for itself quickly. And if we want to keep it totally free, the Essential card gives us 2% back with 0 annual fee. We can decide what fits our budget and lifestyle. Even the 2% back is infinitely better than the 0% our bank gives us. And with these stacked, we get 4% when the money comes in, direct deposit, and up to 4% when the money goes out, debit card. That's an 8% efficiency loop on our cash flow from literally doing nothing we aren't already doing. We are squeezing value out of both sides of the transaction. All right, now time to stack the sats. Step 3, the conversion, turning XRP to BTC. Now listen up, this is important. Uphold pays these rewards in XRP or RLUSD for completing challenges, which we will get into. And we want Bitcoin, right? We want to stack sats. Uphold makes this incredibly easy with their one-step trading. So we don't need to sell XRP to dollars, then buy Bitcoin. We just go to our XRP balance, click transact, select Bitcoin, and boom. We've just converted our rewards into hard, sound money. We are literally turning our coffee purchases into the hardest asset on earth. Amazing. Now there is one more layer to this. Uphold has gamified the experience with their rewards program. Completing these challenges levels us up. We can earn higher yields on stablecoins like USDC or RLUSD, and even get early access to new tokens before they launch publicly. It's a great way to stay engaged with our portfolios and squeeze out every last drop of value with hardly any extra effort. So let's take a look at the math of this stacking sats strategy versus using a traditional bank savings account. Let's say two people are both earning $5,000 per month and spending $2,000 on card-eligible purchases. The legacy bank user gets 0 direct deposit rewards, 0 debit card spending rewards, and a savings yield of $1.50 at 0.6% APY, the national average. So a total monthly gain of $1.50, not even beating inflation. Compare that with the Uphold protocol user who gets $200 in direct deposit rewards, which is 4% of the $5,000, $80 in debit card spending rewards, which is 4% of the $2,000, and a savings yield of $9.38 per month at the 3.75% APY for a total monthly gain of $289.38. Incredible! And if we complete the monthly challenges, which are to log in, deposit $50, trade $50 every month, we get even more. Getting started with Uphold is free and takes like 2 minutes. Simply download the app using the link in the description area where we earn $20 free when we trade $100. Verify our identity. KYC is required because they are a regulated, compliant platform. Link our funding source, bank or debit card. Order our debit card, physical or virtual, and switch our direct deposit. Easy. We can now literally stack Bitcoin without ever touching our principal capital. Bitcoin is funded entirely by the inefficiencies of the old system, bank fees, zero yields, that have been recaptured now as rewards for us. Look, the banks have had a fantastic run. They've made billions off of our maintenance fees, overdraft fees, poverty penalties from lending our money in exchange for little to no interest. And now we have the technology to become our own banks. Uphold's ecosystem operates with 0 fees. We can earn yield, we can verify our own reserves, and we can earn Bitcoin just for living our lives. It replaces the fragmented experience of using a bank for deposits, an exchange for trading, and a separate wallet for spending, consolidating these functions into a single, simple interface. The transition from traditional banking to Uphold is a shift from passive storage to active utilization of our capital. By leveraging the direct deposit, 4%, plus debit card, 4%, plus interest account, 3.75%, triad, we transform our necessary financial friction, paying bills, receiving salaries, storing money, into a wealth generation engine. Again, while the rewards are paid in XRP and RLUSD, the seamless convertibility to Bitcoin creates a functional auto-stacking ecosystem that outperforms the 0.6% yield of the legacy system by an order of magnitude. And what's great is another way we can put any money we may have lying around to work for even more yield to convert into Bitcoin is with an AI-enhanced robotic crypto trader called Go Baby Trade. While Uphold helps us optimize the money we are already earning and spending, Go Baby Trade is designed to optimize the money we aren't actively using. Here's how it works. Crypto markets are extremely volatile. They go up, down, sideways, erratically, and unpredictably, 24/7, 365 globally. It never stops moving. And that chaos creates a ton of opportunities to basically make free money. Wall Street, hedge funds, and big financial institutions know it. They use supercomputers, algorithms, and manipulation to extract wealth from regular people like us who try to day trade manually. Look, over 95% of all crypto trading right now is with bots in a rigged casino. Trying to compete with our human emotions and slow reaction times is futile. We are guaranteed to lose money. Now, with AI, we can play their game and make gains with Go Baby Trade. It's a simple, set it, forget it robotic trading system specifically engineered to capitalize on the price volatility of the crypto markets. Every time the market swings up and down, it locks in passive profits for us that we can use to stack more Bitcoin over time. And what's awesome is we don't need to be traders. We don't need experience. We don't need to watch charts or understand technical indicators. It's literally a wealth management system that handles the complexity while we keep the results. To see exactly how it works under the hood, hop on one of the live weekly webinars every Wednesday using the link below, where we can ask any and all questions we may have to learn more. So basically, Uphold helps us stack sats from our cash flow, and Go Baby Trade helps us stack sats from market movement. It's an incredibly powerful combination because it allows us to no longer be dependent on a single income stream or a single strategy to accumulate Bitcoin. We're building multiple automated pipelines feeding into the same goal, stacking sats and increasing our financial sovereignty. And as we accumulate Bitcoin over time, we need to make sure we are transferring them over to our own cold storage hardware wallet like Tangem wallet. It is the only way we can completely own and control our Bitcoin. Tangem is the most affordable and easiest crypto wallet to use on the market. Only takes like 90 seconds to set up, and with a simple tap of a card to our phone, we can manage our Bitcoin. When we combine Uphold's wealth management platform strategy to optimize earning and spending with GoBabyTrade's AI passive profit strategy to optimize idle capital to accumulate Bitcoin and store them securely with Tangem Wallet, we are no longer just participants trying to survive in the global elite's digital financial prison. We are now engineers and architects of our own completely parallel, impenetrable financial fortress. This is how we become financially sovereign and free. Awesome. If you'd like to learn how AI can help us make money, we can also use to amplify our sat stacking strategy with GoBabyTrade, check out this video. If you would like to learn more about Uphold's ecosystem and even more reasons why it's a way better, safer option for storing our money and managing our crypto, check out this video. And to get our free Uphold account to start earning free Bitcoin today, click on the link on the screen. Like and subscribe for more. Be safe out there.